All right. So the Pew Hispanic Center, Jonathan, has just published some very interesting statistics about the Biden administration and immigration in general to the United States. First of all, the number of people who received green cards last year declined from 240,000 in the second quarter of 2020 to 79,000 in the third quarter.
Wow.
The fiscal year second quarter is January to March 2020. That was right before the pandemic started. And then the third quarter is April to June, 79,000. If you remember, and still to this day, the embassies were closing, people were quarantining, and there's now think about that. If there was more than 120, 130,000 people less received their green card that one quarter. We were quarantining each quarter after. I don't know what the statistics haven't come out for the following quarters.
Right.
But you have to figure there's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of thousands of people who should have gotten appointments who didn't, which is why now we're getting all of these telephone calls. How come I'm waiting? How come I'm waiting?
Right.
And that's the reason for the backlog. Now, Biden, they also came out with statistics about Biden. His biggest immigration proposal to date would allow more new immigrants into the U.S. while giving millions of unauthorized immigrants who are already in the country a pathway to legal status. We talked about that yesterday and the day before and the weeks and weeks before. It's the Build Back Better Act. We'll see what happens with that. Some other key immigration statistics that I thought was interesting. Most immigrants are receiving their green cards how? I'm going to give you the options, Jonathan.
Okay.
Okay, the 5 ways to get a green card in the United States are family, employment, investment, asylum, refugee, family, employment, investment, and visa lottery. What was the most out of those 5? Where did they most come from, Jonathan?
Family?
Family, correct.
Okay.
In 2019, 710,000 people visas accounted for about 1 in 5 temporary employment visas issued in 2019. 188,000 high-skilled foreign workers received their H-1B visas in 2019. About 636,000 people got DACA. By 2020.
That's a lot.
700,000 immigrants got temporary protected status from 12 countries also in that same year. Now, imagine if it's 700,000 immigrants got TPS, 636,000 immigrants got DACA. There's got to be more than 10 million undocumented people in the United States. All right, there has to be. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.